Ramadan is not only worship, it is also joy, connection, and shared memories. Today's reminder is about bringing Ramadan into the heart of the family. A family Ramadan competition, announcing a family competition at the beginning of Ramadan and holding it on the night of Eid can bring color to the month and help the entire household embrace a special Ramadan atmosphere. It can also be announced in advance that the prizes will be distributed on the night of Eid. A similar competition can also be organized within the neighborhood. Questions prepared by scholars or the mosque imam can be distributed to local residents and the results announced on the final night. Sponsors such as generous merchants or charitable individuals can easily be found to cover the prizes. In this way, it becomes possible to make our families and neighborhoods truly feel the arrival of Ramadan, while also strengthening relationships and fostering unity among people. Ramadan becomes unforgettable when it is shared, turn learning into joy, strengthen family bonds through goodness. Make Ramadan a memory that stays for life. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Would you try a Ramadan competition with your family? Subscribe to Light of Āmīn for day 20 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah place love, joy, and barakah in our homes. Āmīn.